I would like to welcome you all in the lecture series of Python programming. In this video, I'm going to discuss various type of data types in Python programming. First of all, what is the meaning of data type? You know there are different type of data. For example, one is an integer number. For if I talk about 1.1, it's a float. Okay, so data will be different. So the language has to support different varieties of data. So you know that in Python programming, it's a dynamically typed language. Okay, interpretation, line by line interpretation. Also, it is too flexible and you do not need to declare the data type. So for example, if you are doing the C programming, you are supposed to determine data type. For example, integer A, int A, you need to mention, float B, like that you have to mention. But in case of Python, that is not required. The Python will automatically determine the data type based on the value which you assign it. That is the added advantage. Okay, that is the thing which we need to say that Python is more flexible rather than other type of language. So for your better understanding, we can see the various type of data type. Number one is called, if I talk about the numeric type, we have different type of data type, int. Int stands for integer data type, 5 minus 10,000. If I go for like a float, you'll be getting like a floating point, decimal, like a 3.14, point minus 0.5. If I go for like a complex number, A plus IB form, so we have to use the data type, complex data type. So it is applicable only for complex numbers. Next is called a text data type. You are supposed to use string. Okay. Text data type is also known as string data type. So you need to use the short form like a str. That is a string data type represent the text. Hello world, welcome to Python program, welcome to mathematics, like that. Another one is called a sequence type. There are very important two type of sequence type data type is available. One is called a list and other one is called a tuple. List is nothing but it's just like an like a two-dimensional array element which is changeable. Okay, it can be changeable. It is represented by like a square in a like a matrix in the form of like a matrix 1, 2, 3. So if I like if I wanted to represent tuple, you need to mention like an ordered pair. So in this form. Okay, you can see the parenthesis inside you are supposed to put the number which is unchangeable. Okay, that is also known as immutable. List is changeable where tuple is unchangeable or immutable. Then mapping type, you can use the data type called DICT. DICT is nothing but it's a collection of value pairs where key is unique. Like that you will be mentioning by using the flower bracket. So the such kind of data type is known as DICT. Set type is actually you can see an unordered collection of unique element is known as set data type. You can see like a set. You might have studied about the set. Okay, so how will you mention the set? Set A is equal to, then you will be opening one flower bracket 1, 2, 3, then closing the flower bracket. This is known as set data type. Hope you got the different type of data type. I request you to note down. So these data type will be helpful whenever you are doing the program. Based upon the program, you need to decide which type of data type you will be following up. But the Python, the advantage is it will automatically identify what kind of data type you are entering. Then Boolean type, you need to use bool. There are different operation we need to perform using the Boolean, especially for the decision making. Okay, like while loop, whenever you are applying sometimes while loop, then if else loop. Okay, sorry, if else conditional statement, you can go for like a Boolean type. So it represents true or false. Then binary type, there are different varieties. Byte, it's a immutable sequence of byte. For example, B, then apostrophe hello. Then byte array, a mutable version of byte, that is called a byte array. So bytes are immutable where byte array is mutable. Then memory view. Memory view is an object for accessing the internal data of an object. That is called a memory view. It is another type of data type which is comes under binary type. So another one is called a non-type. What is non? Non is also a data type, which represent the absence of the value or null value, void or null value, which is represented by using non-type. So last, another one is called a customer type. What is custom type? You can create a custom data. Okay, it is also known as classes. It is suitable for OOPS concept, object-oriented program. At the time of object-oriented program, I'm going to explain the data type of custom. What is a custom data type? Okay, class and object you should know. So these are the fundamentals. Okay. Okay, you can note down these points. These are very valuable. Okay, fine. So Python is a dynamically typed language. So no need to declare the data type explicitly. And the Python infer the data type based on the assigned value. It will only identify, it will only conclude what kind of data you are entering and what is the data type. That is a major advantage. That is why Python is majorly used in machine language. In the examples, we studied about string, integer, float, and boolean, etc. There are different type of data type. Be familiar. So let me conclude the session. We studied about different, what is a data type, what is the meaning of data type, and we have enlisted different type of data type which is supported in Python programming. You can just go through the particular topic. Okay, for example, numeric type, integer, float, complex. You can make a note of that. That will be helpful for doing the programming. Okay, for example, Boolean type, you have to use bool. So like that, you can go through that, just understand the importance of data type. Okay, let me know if you have any questions. Kindly put up in the comment box. Thanks a lot for watching this video.